Welcome to everyone. I am Arnav and I am now taking the class science, class 3 science. Okay. I already have told about the characteristics of the living things. Characteristics of living things. And two characteristics I have taught, which is living things can breathe, living things need food, and in the last video I have told some problems, some questions and answers already discussed about. Okay, now I will discuss about the another characteristics of living things. Now, this is the third characteristics. If you see in your book, this is the third characteristics. That living things move. Oh, you see, I am moving. Okay, my hands are moving. You are sitting here. You are sitting in your room and watching my video, and your hands, your fingers are moving. Your mothers, your parents are moving around us, around you. Okay, many other peoples are moving. So we are the living things. That is the property of living things, is living things can move freely. Living things can move freely. Okay. So I, you, and all the animals, all the people move. Okay. Now I will discuss about the. I already have shown a video about the touch me plant. Okay, I already have shown a video about touch me plant. The scientific name of the touch me plant is mimosa. Mimosa. Okay, this is the scientific name of touch me not plant. So what is touch me not plant? It looks like a, there is a leaf. There's another leaves are there. So many leaves are there. So what is the main characteristics of the touch me not plant? If you touch them, if you touch the leaves, then they close up their leaves, and after some time they open up. Okay, during the evening, the mimosa plant or the touch me not plant closes their leaves, and reopens in the morning again, and they reopen their leaves in the morning again. There is another example, which is the tamarind plant. I think you already have seen the tamarind plant. Their leaves also during the evening they used to close up their leaves, and the morning they open up. Okay, so the plant move their uh, their lips using open up and close up. Okay, and you see what is movement? Movement called that I am going to each place to another place. I can move from each place to another place. This is called movement. But plant can't move from each place to another place. So why? Why? Plants are living thing. Living thing, if you see a stem or a plant, you see this is a plant. Okay, this stem grows upward direction. Grows upward direction. This is a stem. And its roots grows into downward direction. Its roots grows downwards. So this is upwards going, and this is the downwards going. It is called root or roots. So they can move. Okay. They can move. They can't move from each place to another place, but they can their stem, their roots. Stem grows upwards and the roots grows downwards. So they are the living thing. You see. You see that the sunflower. You see the sunflower. I think you already have seen the sunflower. Okay. Sunflower always face towards the sun. Sunflower always face towards the sun. This is a sunflower. Sunflower. Always, if here is sun, then always faces towards the sun. When the sun across the sky moves from one place to another place, or east to west, they move, and they always face towards the sun. So the plants can move their body. Their parts, not body, they are parts. Okay. So we see many cars, many motorbikes, motor vehicles, or any other vehicles. They move from each place to another place. Suppose he is in B, he is in A, and move to the B. So they are moving from one place to another place. So is it living thing? No. Living thing. This is not living thing. This is a non-living thing. Because this car has to make drive by a man. Okay. So if you see a cycle motorbike, and the aeroplane, helicopter, all are the non-living things. The plane, aeroplane used to fly, has to make fly by pilot. Okay, so they can't move. They can't move by themselves. So they are the non-living things. So characteristics of the living things and non-living things is living things can move, but non-living things can't move. If you see the example of car or a motor vehicles or any other aeroplane or helicopter, they are moving, but the car or the aeroplane has to make drive by a pilot, by a man. They can't move by themselves, so they are non-living things. Okay, there are many living things such as flies. They can fly, birds, mosquitoes, man, people, or any many other animals can move from one place to another place. So here is the living things can move is a characteristic. Okay. Now I am going to the next characteristic is 4. The number 4 characteristic is living things grow. Living things grow. Living things grow. Okay. Let us discuss about what is growing. If you see in your book, there is a picture of a small kid of a dog that is called puppy and a mature dog or a big dog. Okay. Can you tell me what is the difference between two pictures? Does they look same size? No. There is a small puppy and there is a big dog. So they are not same in size. So we can tell from this picture that a puppy grows into a dog after some years. So you can see living things can grow. Okay? You are the student of class 3 now. You are the student of class 3. Now after 2 years or after 3 years, I think you will be at class 5, class 6. So you will grow. You will grow. I think now your size is, I think, 2, 3 or 4 feet. I think 2 or 3 or some of 4 feet. Then after 2 years, you will become 5 feet or 4 feet. So you can see the growth. You can see the growth, mainly growth. Okay, that is the point. The living things can grow. Okay, all living things grow with time. I told about the time because after 2 years, after 3 years, all are going to be grow. Okay, and all living things grow with time using the energy they get from the food. If I don't take any food, then I will not grow. Mother used to say Please eat them. Please eat vegetables. Please eat milk so you can grow. You will be healthier. Right? So I'm requesting you to all of you, please take your food daily and healthy food. That's for vegetables. So you will grow faster. Okay? Human and animal babies slowly grow into adults. Humans like me and others people uh, and the animal babies slowly grow into adults. For examples, a small baby, a small child, a baby grows into an adult with time. Okay, I already have told about this. Now you are in 3 section, or in 3 plus 3. Then after 2 years you will be at 5 or 6. So I think your shape will grow. Okay, your shape will be changed. In the same way, plant also show growth. Plant also show the growth. I think if there is a seed. If you see in your book, there is a picture. They are showing a seed. They are showing a seed. Then it grows to plants. Small plants. Okay, or sapling. Then it grows into plants pretty much bigger than this. Okay. Now it grows into a big tree. After some years. Okay. So from the seed it grows into the sapling to tree, plants, then it grows into the big tree. This is the, so the plants shows the growth. Yes. Okay. Now after can you see so living things can grow. This is a duster. Does it can grow? No, it can't grow because it's a non-living thing. They don't take food. They don't breathe for any others. So they don't grow because this is a non-living thing. So here is the main difference of living thing and the non-living thing, that living things can grow and non-living things can grow. Okay. This is another property. After a certain age, all living things die. It means living things have a fixed lifespan. Living things has a fixed lifespan. Human beings and all other animals have a fixed lifespan. Okay, but like insects or some insects or flies, mosquitoes, they have only few hours to live. Only a few hours. But you know the tortoise, their lifespan is 200 years. 200 years they can live. Tortoise. Okay, you see tortoise. So they can live up to 200 years. So now I'm giving the what I have taught about the living things. Living things can grow. Living things can grow, and living things can move. Okay. So this is enough for today. Okay. I will discuss about the more characteristics about the living things in the next video. Please follow up my video, and I think it will be helpful for any every aspect. So thank you.